Good morning, guys. Today I'm back again at Eastman Lake. This parking space right here is really nice if you want to take your kayak out here. The road is pavement and you just drag your kayak down there. Alright, so I brought my inflatable kayak with me today. It's kind of windy, so I don't know how much I can paddle with this inflatable kayak, so let's get out there and we'll find out. Oh, yeah. It looks so good. Let me try this guy. Oh, I don't know about this wind, guys. It's pretty crazy, this wind. All right, fish on. Let's see how big this guy is. Just never know. Woo! Look at this. Woo! Big old bass. Woo, Billy hook right here. Oh man, it just came off. Alright guys, right now I'm using the credit catching bass. What you do is just hook it right by the tail right here. Don't hook by the, see the little vein right there? That's hook it right there, you're gonna kill it. But hook it a little bit off the side right here, like that. Oh, the wind died down a little bit right now. Alright, caught another one. Alright, let's see how big this one is. Ah, small one. This is just a tiny one. This one, no nets for it. Too small. Look at this. Oh, tiny one. It's good to carry a plier because when you don't have plier, it's very hard to get the fish off. Woo, woo. Look at this. Woo. Look at this. Hell yeah. I finally caught myself a crappie, I think. Hopefully it's a crappie. Crappie! Crappie time. Come on. Let it be crappie. Let it be crappie. Let it be crappie. Let it be crappie, not bass. Come on, not bass. I don't want no bass now. I caught too many bass already. I don't want no bass. Wonders. What's this? Oh crap! I caught a trout. I caught a trout. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a day for me. Oh yeah. Look at that. That was crappie, but it's not. It's a trout. I caught with this little jig here. Alright, I'm keeping this guy right here. Hell yeah. It's gotta be. Oh crap. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna keep this one for. Alright, I'm gonna go on dinner. Not bad at all. Caught a lot of bass this morning, and now I just caught a trout. Hell yeah. Oh no, look like a freaking ocean now. There's a lot of fish in here. We just have to find it. I got a couple bites earlier in here, but it was windy, and then my kayak won't stay still, so I missed it. I think I caught something. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Woo. This is a sucking fish on this spot right here. Oh yeah. Let's see what it is. Woo, woo. Maybe it's a trout again. Maybe it's a trout again. Oh yeah, this is the second one. Trout number 2. Oh, they're hiding in here. Hell yeah. Oh, come on. Dang. Oh yeah. Whew, got it. Round number 2. Alright. Alright guys, I caught another one. Caught another trout. Just need to get it off. Alright, so I caught that trout with this jig again. Yeah, nice trout. I'm going to my cooler. 2 trout. So I'm using this pink right here. It's a crappie max, but instead of crappie, I caught with trout. So whatever works. Alright guys, caught another one. Wow, there must be a honey hole in here. Let's see what it is this time. Wow, pink color today. Let it be trout. Let it be trout. Let it be trout. Let it be trout. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, another trout. 3 trout now. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Don't mind me how to hold my fish. This fish is going home with me. Now, 3 trouts now. Oh yeah, I didn't expect that. So this is the pink that I'm been catching all this fish. Hot pink, hot pink, hot pink. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. Got 5 trouts limit. That'll be awesome today. Oh yeah, right on the spot. Think I got something. Oh yeah. Woo. Man, I'm hammering right here. Whew. Guys, today is, I don't know what to say. It's just my luck today, guys. Oh. Oh, another trout. Oh. No, just a bass. Whoa. It's just a bass. It just missed the bass. Look at this. Oh man. Woo. All right. Woo. All right, let's do it again. All right. Oh yeah, gotta be a fish there. All right, I think probably hit the bottom already. Woo. I can't wait to get my SUV or a track so I can take my boat out here. Kayak is, it's fine, but it's a lot of work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo. 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 Oh my god. Woo. This is crazy. All right, another trout. Yay. Yay, another trout. I got 4 now. I need 1 more. All right. Woo. I got 4 trouts now. I just need 1 more for my limit. Oh no. Oh, this one's easy to get off. Just my little guy. Oh yeah. Yay. I got 4 trout now. Yeah, hell yeah. 4 trouts. I got a 4 trout. This one's a little bit smaller, but it's okay. It's going to cooler. All right, it's going to cooler. All right, so I need just 1 more trout to make my limit. Hopefully 1 right now. All right, eventually I couldn't get the last trout, so I'm heading to the other side, have my lunch, do little bluegills fishing, and I'll see you guys next time.